creatures of all kinds, and welcome back. Or if you're new here, welcome and hope you stick around. In this video, I want to walk you through the process of how I turned these rain boots into this. So, if you want to see the process, just keep watching. To turn the picture in my head to reality, I needed spikes, and lots of them. And I know just the place for that. But before we go, I want to show you my outfit. This is the full look. Now let me show you the jewelry. I don't remember where all of my jewelry from, but the dress is from Dark in Love, and I made the jacket. And we're ready to go.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it a lot.
This pedestrian zone is full of fabric and craft supply shops. Twice a week, this artist fair takes place, and it's happening today, of all days. And like every time I come here, I don't like crowded places. However, there's so much to see, everything's so beautiful. Anyway, do you see the shop over there? This is where we're going. This is exactly what I looked for. I love the black spikes, but for this project I want the silver. I love coming to this shop, but I never buy anything. If I could, I would have bought the whole shop, but it feels like everything is overpriced. And in another shop, I also saw these interesting fabrics. I got 1 meter from the silver spikes. It's very hot today, so we took a break before we walked to the next destination to buy one more thing. Oh, and I want to show you this pink building over there. It's very beautiful.
I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on.
I got this spray paint for another DIY project I plan to do. If this is something you want to see, just tell me in the comments. We're back home to my sewing room, my favorite place where I make my dreams come true. And I have these lovely spikes, which I want to rub my cheek with and cover my whole body with them. Anyway, design-wise, I was thinking to put the spikes here, all around the top part. But my friend pointed out that if I glue them on the inner part, they rub on each other as I walk. So I think to put them only on the outer side, which will also leave me with more spikes. Now I also want to fill the front with spikes, and I can also walk along this line and glue one row, or put one here in the middle back. Tell me in the comments which of these options you prefer. I decided to do just half of the width and glue it on the top part. So first I'm going to measure how much I need, cut the piece out, and then cut it again to half.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath.
I'm using this E6000 glue, taking some glue out, spreading it over the first 3 rows, and position them in place. You know, just the usual way of using glue. I press each spike against the boot, let it dry a little, and move on to the next row. I skip parts of the footage here, or else we'd be here forever.
My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down.
Now to the front part, I need to figure out how I want to place them and hope I can reposition them approximately in the same place after I cut. Now I already see I have to fill in some gaps, but that's okay. I cut the same shape for the other boot, and now I glue everything in place.
They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.
Now at this point I noticed the spikes piece don't cooperate because of the boot's curvy surface, so I decided to work with smaller pieces. Here I cut and adjust the pieces.
It's your chance to be ruthless. They don't wanna see me make it, they don't wanna see me care. Anytime I make some progress, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared. I walk a straight path, not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb, and I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I will get back up, cause I don't deserve a thing and the road ahead is tough. They'll try to kick you while you're down.
During the try-on, a few spikes got loose in this area where the boot creases. So before I glued them again, I used the sanding paper from my boyfriend's toolbox and sanded the boot surface just to scratch it a bit so the glue will stick better. And I'm done! I'm very excited to have some spikes left for another project. Are you ready to see the boots in action? 'Cause I do.
They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.
Do you like to do handcraft? Is there a project you're currently working on? Hope you enjoyed the video, and if you do, please remember to like and subscribe to my channel.